Yo YouTube, it's your boy Mike here with another pickup. Today we're doing Air Max tempos. Come here, zoom up a bit more. Got my brother recording. Let's just see the tag. 165, 9.5. Zoom in a little closer so you see a colorway on them. Cool gray, white dark gray. Alright, let's get into them. Give you a full view of the shoe first, and I'll get into them. The backs. Alright. You got your Nike swoosh. Air on the side. Another swoosh. Got your pull string tab there. Pull string tab. Your Nike air bubbles. On the sole, full view, swoosh with another air bubble. Got your stitching. Shoes look adorable, nice, beautiful color. Show you the insides of them. You got like a Volt green looking swoosh in the side, Volt the tongue of the shoe. Tag right there. Overall, my review of the shoe. Beautiful shoe. Looks comfortable. Give it a 9 out of 10. Alright.